Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. And today, what you see before you is 2 cups of dried beans that have been rehydrating overnight, just pinto and black beans. And we're going to make a super easy prep bean chili, vegetarian chili. So again, these are 2 cups of dried beans. We soak them overnight to rehydrate them, but it also helps eliminate some of the side effects of beans, which makes them a little bit less gassy. So I totally recommend doing that. Otherwise, the hard beans, it will not turn out right. However, I would say this is about, if you prefer to use canned beans, about 3 to 4 cups of drained and rinsed beans of whatever your choice is. Could be kidney, could just go straight all one bean. And I have some yummy, yummy vegetables, a chopped pepper, and I like the big chunks because we're going to be cooking this for a little while. And I do want it to soften, but I don't want it to be mushy. I have some celery, and it is 1 onion, though I had a baby red onion and that I wanted to get rid of, so I'm putting that in there today. I also have a can of tomato sauce. It's a 15-ounce can, but I've also rinsed that can out twice, so I have enough liquid to kind of cover. Yes, cover everything in here because we will be cooking it for a while and I want to have enough liquid. I also have small can of chilies and tomato paste to help thicken, green chilies to help thicken that up. Oh, this smells so good right now. Smell even better once it's all cooked. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, maybe about a teaspoon, at least to get started. It's nice to cook with a little salt, but then I don't like to over salt. Just for health purposes, you want to salt for flavor, but you can always add more later. It's hard to take salt out. 2 cloves of garlic here. And I have my mixture of herbs, which is cumin, chili powder, and some oregano. So we're just going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. High works really well for the dried beans, but this absolutely can go kind of more of a 6 to 8 hour slow cook as well. So I will see you back, and I'm sorry I can't treat you to the wonderful aromas that will be coming from this crock pot, but I hope once you see the final results, you'll be encouraged to make them on your own. All right, see you soon. This vegetarian chili smells fantastic, and ooh, here we go. Ah, yes, it's thickened up so nicely. Now I have used the dried beans. I let this go for about 5 hours because I tested it about 4 and the beans were still a little hard. But if you're using canned chilies, I think the 3 to 4 hour is perfect. So here is this luscious, yummy vegetarian chili. This, I think I get about 3 meals out of this. So we're not going to eat all this. I'm pretty sure we're going to get tired of it. And then I will freeze it and it heats up wonderfully. Some serving suggestions I like, maybe a little bit of cilantro, cut up some avocado, obviously cheese and sour cream maybe, and kind of a fun treat as well for something crunchy. We like to put some corn chips in our chili and it kind of gives a nice little crunch for us. Thanks so much for checking out Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, checking out our fun and easy peasy vegetarian chili. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.